Hey Vloggy Vlog. The time is 3:36 a.m. Friday, December 22nd, and we're going to the North Pole. Not really, but kind of. We're going north. Hey Vloggy Vlog. As you can tell, we're in a weird place. Where the hell are we? Some bikes. We're in Vancouver. Basically my first flight, I had two, got delayed, and then I missed my second flight because it got delayed. And then they put me on a flight for 5 p.m. which sucks. So I have like 8 hours of just like downtown Vancouver. Literally no idea where I am right now. Basically, for some context, I had like literally a backpack with like my computer and my camera, and then like I had nothing because I didn't think I was gonna have a day in Vancouver. And I also had no money because my wallet recently got like stolen. So I like don't have a card, I don't have any cash. So I was like kind of fucked because I had nothing and I was stranded. The only thing that I'm worried about is my phone is at 10 and I don't have a charger and nowhere's open. So it's gonna be interesting. Birdie! Look at this little place I'm in. It's so cute. Literally have no idea where I am. And I'm so far away from where I started. I'm looking for a cute little cafe and I passed one and I should have went in. I need to like freshen up in a bathroom. Like do my hair. But I need to find a cute cafe. I have another update. I don't know where I am. I'm off like the main roads now. I've been walking for like, bought a new hat at Urban Outfitters. Love this Urban Outfitters. It was the first one I ever been to. Good memories there. I got these ugly ass pants. But now I'm just like in like this, why is it so mossy and green? It looks better in person, I swear. I'm fucking exhausted. I've been walking around downtown Vancouver since 8 a.m. Non-stop, pretty much. And I have to pee so bad, but I don't want to buy anything to go pee. Look how pretty this building is. I don't even know where I am. But the moss. I wish my camera was picking it up. Like, the moss on these trees is so pretty. I feel like I don't know where I feel like I am. But the skyline's so pretty. The sun just came out. So gorgeous. Everywhere's so expensive. I went to like, I don't even know if you can listen to these, but I went to like a vintage store and it was like $100 for an ugly t-shirt with stains on it. It is actually crazy. Vlog, we're going skiing. Here's the fit. All my dad's stuff, real big. What do you have to say about skiing?
We're snowboarding.
Well, what do you have to say about it?
We're gonna have fun.
Here's her fit. I'm gonna roll down a hill. What do you have to say?
Time to drink.
Hey guys, so we made it to the snow hill. I don't know if you can hear me because my headphones are in here. But
Made it alive.
we're here.
I eat shit a couple times.
I came to tell your faded dreams.
Hey vlog, we made it to Kitimat. I pranked you guys, I wasn't going to the North Pole.
Where did you say you were going?
The title of this video is Christmas in the North Pole.
Oh. And it's not even snowy here.
I know, I thought it was.
Yeah.
So I
Isn't that
thought,
fucked? Like, there's no
it's not in
snow.
Edmonton either.
Yeah, this world is so crazy.
So, right now, our dad gave us money to go buy him Christmas presents. So we're gonna go do that. Hey vlog, so we went, here's my old room. Do you remember it? From the first vlog. I think it's the only vlog where I lived here. Room tour quickly. So all my stuff is gone. The lighting is super bad in here. So here's my banana light, which I didn't want to bring because I thought it would break, and it's like broken. I want to bring it back though, but bringing that on a flight, that's not a good idea. We have a record player, we have a bunch of drawers. Some old vines in there. Nice. My bed frame. Another dresser with a mirror. And then my closet. These aren't my clothes, obviously. And that's pretty much the room. Oh, hello, kitty. I didn't take any videos on Christmas, but hopefully these GIFs or GIFs or whatever the hell you call them replicate enough so you can get the feeling.